been a little while, guys. I'm a little salty that OnePlus had to launch their new phone right when I'm finishing up second semester. As you can see here, I'm a little bit disheveled, just got home from school. To find this at my doorstep, I recently ordered the OnePlus 6 in mirror black in the 128 gig variant. I'm very excited to unbox this today. Kind of reminiscent of what I did last year. I barely have time to film this, so without further ado, let me just make sure everything is in focus here. This is a very, very sloppy video. I apologize, especially for the audio, which I have not had time to set up. I just am using this cheap Tascam mic. So I'm gonna start unboxing this puppy right here. I'm gonna try to keep it in the center for you. I'm so excited here. So I ordered a case with it as well. This is the carbon fiber case, bumper case actually. It offers some protection, keeps the phone nice and sleek. I like it, it's by OnePlus. But here is where the money's at. This is the OnePlus 6. In reference to the older box right here, not that much different. A little taller this time, but pretty much the same box. Different slogan, the speed you need instead of the dual camera clear photo stuff. We are unboxing. Alright, guys. I'm so stressed out right now. Okay, so here we are. Let's get some of the dirt away. We're gonna do the big lift off here. And there she is. So here's my OnePlus 5. Here is the new OnePlus 6 in comparison. Basically the same size, if you can see here. I'll move this to the side. Same form factor as the 5T. Really happy with that actually, and dang, I am already loving the mirror black finish on this. This is a glass back, by the way. Very different from the aluminum back on the OnePlus 5, so let me put this back over here. First of all, I'm gonna take this stupid front screen protector off. I hate them. They're just so nasty, but before we do that, I'm gonna peel off the plastic here. Just notice. I'm also gonna peel off the little IMEI number stuff. So, first impressions of the phone, I'm very happy with this actually. It reminds me a lot of the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus and S9. Very premium in the hand. Very reminiscent also of the jet black iPhone. Their glass on this phone kind of mimics ceramic. They have this layer underneath that they have 40 layers and all this. Let's get this screen protector off actually, because I cannot stand pre-installed screen protectors. Heck no, not happening. I want to use my phone the way it is. So we're gonna power this up now. Hi there, let's start. More, agree. Here we go, so now we're in the phone. I'm gonna set this all up later. But yeah, it's a OnePlus phone. Same experience, just a lot bigger. I'm gonna have to get used to the on-screen buttons, but since it's in the same place as the home button, the physical home button area on the OnePlus 5, I'll get used to that really quick. I am liking this feel. It's a lot different, it's a lot more premium than the OnePlus 5. I'm also liking how the mute switch is on the right-hand side. It's a lot more natural because your thumb kind of rests there to begin with. Let's kind of pull up the camera right now, see how that's looking. So now we now have OIS, which I am excited about. Although it turns on only in certain conditions, photo taking, 1080-60 video, or K60 video, which is on this device as well. It's blazing fast, if not more fast than the OnePlus 5. It's rocking the Snapdragon 845, 8 gigs of RAM, all that good stuff. I'm gonna have a first impressions video for you guys as soon as I can get it out. Unfortunately right now I have to finish up school, so I will be using this device. And maybe by the time that I get a video out on this, I'll have a more accurate reading of, what things are like for you guys. So that has been the unboxing of the OnePlus 6. I hope you enjoyed. I will have a first impressions video up, like I said, as soon as I can. I can't wait to start using this phone. This is my first wider angle or irregular aspect ratio phone, I've been used to using 16:9, so this should be interesting, and yeah. Other than that, I will catch you all in the next one.